Hello, welcome back. I would like to thank you for watching my videos and enrolling my course. Thank you very much. In this video I will talk about very important tool. I like this tool, I love it. This is gradient mesh tool. Gradient create and edit meshes. This tool, I will show you about this tool in this video. Let us firstly create an object or shape. This is our shapes. Just click on this tool. Before you double click on this object, just control something. How many rows you want, how many columns you want. If you want it, create mesh gradient or create conical gradient, mesh or conical. This is your choice. On fill or stroke. I want, for example, 3 rows and 2 columns. Just double click. This is gradient fill. Depends on mesh tool. You can color every node in different color. This tool very important to draw tones like skin tones, for example, like shading, color tones. If you want to create realistic design, the mesh gradient tool is very useful for you. Used to create realistic design. I want to draw this rectangle. There are 2 ways to activate mesh gradient tool. The first way, go to object and choose fill and stroke and choose this mesh gradient. I activate it. This is the first way. The second way, I will do Ctrl Z. Just go to the icon of gradient and edit meshes. Just click on it and double click on the object. It will appear. It will be activated. You can also edit the color of these nodes. Just click and select your preferred color. Click on nodes and click on your preferred color. This color, for example. Just click on the gray nodes and choose your preferred color. Like this. This tool, as I told you, can be used to create realistic designs. I will show you application to draw something real or seems like real objects later on. In this video, I want to show you how to use this tool and what is the gradient mesh tool. You can also control number of rows and columns. Another thing, if the default values of rows and columns 1 and 1, it will appear. Then the one columns and 1 row will appear. If you want to increase the number of columns, no need to control these numbers. Just double click on this line, or if you this is number of columns. If I want to increase the number of rows, just also double click, or here double click. You can color in details as a real object. as you can see, look at this colored rectangle. I will show you the application later on. Thank you very much.